An effective performance evaluation system will include not only financial measures such as variances, return on investment, and residual income, but also include some non-financial measures. Operating performance measures include some metrics that are not financial in nature. If you look at your lecture notes and take a big picture look at these measures, you will see three calculations: delivery cycle time, throughput time, sometimes called manufacturer cycle time, and manufacturer cycle efficiency. Taken together, these tell management a story about efficiency. The first calculation is delivery cycle time. This measures the length of time from when an order is received to the time it is shipped to the customer. This could be a determining factor for some customers. Some customers are going to need to make sure they can get their products on time. The formula is wait time plus throughput time. Now, wait time is the time that elapses after the order is received, but before production begins. Now, why would a company wait to begin manufacturing the product? Well, it could be that they're waiting on materials or waiting for a process to be freed up. The second component of delivery cycle time is throughput time, which is the next calculation we will make. Throughput time is the time required to actually produce the product. There are four components to this calculation: process time, inspection time, move time, and queue time. Process time is the time spent actually working on the product. Inspection time is obviously just time spent inspecting the product. Move time is spent when we're moving materials to the process or moving work in process from one process to another. And then queue time is the time spent waiting to be moved, inspected, processed, or shipped. So we might be waiting for an inspector, we might be waiting for a forklift, or for a process to be freed up. Note that queue time is different than wait time in that wait time occurs before production begins, and queue time involves waiting once production has begun. Now, to improve efficiency, a manager may want to note that of these four components, only process time adds value. That is, it adds value that customers are willing to pay for. The inspection time, move time, and queue time, while they may be necessary, they don't add value to the product. So these are some areas that industrial engineers or supply chain professionals can focus on to improve efficiency. Now finally, we will calculate manufacturer cycle efficiency. This measures how efficient the manufacturing cycle time is. It will be expressed in percentage form, and it indicates the percentage of manufacturing time spent adding value. The formula is process time divided by throughput time. Now let's work an example. Klein Fabrications, Inc. has recently begun a continuous improvement campaign. The following operating data have been gathered: move time per unit in days, 0.5, process time per unit in days, 0.4, wait time per order before start of production, 4.7 days, queue time per unit in days, 1.7, and inspection time per unit is 0.3 days. We're going to calculate the throughput time, the manufacturing cycle efficiency, and the delivery cycle time. So first, the throughput time, that is going to include the move time of 0.5, the process time of 0.4, the queue time of 1.7 days, and the inspection time of 0.3 days. That is equal to 2.9 days. Notice that it includes everything except wait time. So if you had to express this in one sentence, saying what it means, it would be that it takes 2.9 days to produce the product. Now, the manufacture cycle efficiency is going to focus on how efficient is this process. So we'll take process time of 0.4 and divide by the throughput time of 2.9. We get 13.79%. So this means that about 14% of manufacturing time is spent adding value. The unfortunate corollary is that it means that 86% of time is spent on non-value added activities. Our final calculation is delivery cycle time, and that will be the wait time of 4.7 days plus the throughput time, or the manufacturing time, of 2.9 days. So the delivery cycle time is 7.6 days, meaning the time from when the order is received to the time it is shipped to the customer is 7.6 days. So while these are non-financial in nature, they will improve efficiency, which of course will have an impact on costs.